Hi, in this video on the Triple S series or the Survive, Stabilize and Surge Ahead, I want to give you three solid inputs specifically meant for small, medium MSME organizations. Of course, can be used for mid-cap and large organizations as well. One thing that has happened that all of us are aware is that how we are perceived all along has completely changed by our customers in the market, which means whatever you have been perceived as earlier may not be valid in the marketplace. Hence, you need to work at repositioning yourself. Positioning, according to many marketing stalwarts, can be defined as what you do to the mind of a prospect. It is a mental space that you take. When they think about you, they think of something, and that something becomes your position. Leave alone the macro positioning, I want to do some micro positioning. The CEOs and the top executives of your organization will have to position themselves as thought leaders. If you are in paint industry, talk about everything that will make the customer to enhance the buying experience going forward, the quality of your product, not directly, but by sharing industry standards, experiences. All these are very easily done today. You don't need to invest anything except a phone and a video, the same way I am doing. Record, write it as a blog, put it in YouTube, send it through WhatsApp to all your customers and contacts. Do it at a fixed time on fixed days, whatever is comfortable. You will start seeing a tremendous amount of acceptance when people start giving inputs without expecting anything in return, which helps them to make better buying decisions. You will be considered a thought leader in your life. You can also give industrial insights which will take your specific industry into the future, not necessarily asking for SOPs and government grants, but giving a 2 to 3 or a 5-year window and talk about how your industry will change in the time. You will be noted sooner or later, and that helps a lot because that is free. It is only the time and effort that you need to put in, and you get a straight entry into the mind of the prospect or the client with whom you have been working all along. Point number 2, post lockdown, it is quite possible that the way you do business, the packaging, repackaging of your products and services, everything will dramatically change. Do not give a shock to your customers later. If you have already finalized, well and good. If you have not, take the next few days before the lockdown goes up and finalize your products and strategies and go to market, whatever that you're going to redo, and start communicating that to all your internal and external stakeholders. Internal stakeholders are your employees. External stakeholders are your suppliers, your banks, all those who have some kind of vested interest in you, tier 1, tier 2 suppliers, whatever, including the end customers. Start communicating this is what you intend doing. You don't need to again go through expensive media campaigns for this. There are very economical ways in which you can do all this through social media and being digitally savvy today. Point number 3, you might have considered doing this already, or you might have already done it, but this is the time for you to stay in touch personally with all your employees who are your internal stakeholders and the external stakeholders like suppliers and clients and bankers and creditors or whoever. Write to them an individual letter, write to them individual emails. For very specific important people, take the phone and talk. You have a few more days before which the lockdown will be lifted. This will give you a chance to talk to them to find out how they are relooking at their buying or relationship priorities with you. Just to sum it up, 3 points for you: reposition as a thought leader, work through the social media channels and popularize it. Point number 2, get your product, go to market strategies, everything clear, communicate your internal and external stakeholders. Point number 3, stay in touch to maintain the human side of your relationship so that when you open up the business again, people are ready to talk to you easily. With these 3 strategies in place, you are bound to easily survive the onslaught, stabilize and surge ahead. I wish you the very best in this journey. Thank you.